Hello Internet, want to show you guys a quick review of my band's lighting system. This is for my group High Five Swan Dive. It's a 15-foot truss section that has 4 different Martin scanners on it, 2 moving heads that we just got. I've been in the process of programming them. We've got 3 Chauvet wedge tries inside the truss, which are really cool. I'm really excited about those. And 2 flat pars, a Chauvet mini Quinta, and an American DJ strobe. So our lighting system's been going through quite a long sort of evolution. I'll have to try to post some pictures in this video showing just how far it's come. The first big things that we picked up for it were the Martins, and they've been sort of the center of our show for a really long time. They came out in sort of the early 2000s, and for less than 200 bucks a piece. It was a huge investment for us at the time, but we got a lot of mileage out of them, and we're still using them as just sort of general. We're still using the Martins because they're effective. I need to replace the bulbs in them. These bulbs are a little old, and I'm just really noticing how dull they are. Bulbs like this, when they start to go bad, they don't like burn out, they just get dull. The Quinta was kind of the next sort of piece of equipment that we got along the way, and it's kind of the secret weapon. Like if you're on a budget, like getting some sort of a derby, which is what this light is called, is pretty much a must, because it just kind of vomits light all over the room. It's fantastic. Along the way we picked up these flat pars. They're just some cheap Chinese made DMX that are not expensive. I think they're less than 100 bucks per. And we used to use 3. We had a Quinta that was broken, so we used to have one right in the middle, and then we picked up another Quinta, and then now we're just the 2 of them and the Quinta. They're great for just general stage wash. They aim down at the stage on both me and the other guitar player, Pete, and just kind of go along with whatever color the wedge tries are up to, the Martins, and then now the moving heads. So the moving heads we just got, these are Beam 230s, and they have their limitations. I'm sure if we had picked up like some Chauvets, they would move faster and be better, but all in all, I'm really happy with these. I can't wait to get out and gig with them. They're really bright, they're really effective, and once they get off moving around, they look freaking sweet. So really excited. These were $1,000 for a pair with a road case, which we got over here, and I mean that's just an incredible deal. So it's a 15-foot truss. It's, God, I can't remember the company now. It was less than 300 bucks. I wish I'd bought it forever ago. It's a crank-up truss, and the 3 sections go together just with wing nuts. I don't know if I can get in and if you can see it. There we go. So it takes setup to get the thing up in the air. We can do all of the lights in about 45 minutes, get it up in the air. All the cabling is hooked up ahead of time, all the power cables and the DMX cable, and everything is labeled, so it's literally just tossing the light fixture up on its section and plugging it in, and then we're good to go. We got to clean up some of the cabling. We're still not quite done. That's why some of these are hanging down. We had the wrong clamps. It's a long story. Anyway, I did just get programming, so we just sort of tossed it up in the air, and we're gonna tidy up all the cabling this weekend before we head out for a wedding. Just kind of brief overview of our truss. I'm gonna get it moving and kind of running some scenes so you guys can see what it looks like in action.